Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the brand new product and release of 1920 Upper Deck hockey credentials. Look for debut ticket access autograph cards, 1-2 autos per pack or per box. 6 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Looking for rookie science, 1 per pack, 1 acetate per box. 1 and 2 autos. I got 4 boxes, opened 1 already. I pulled a Noah Dobson rookie science auto. Put it on the other light. Eric Brandstrom debut ticket access acetate to $2.99. And a debut ticket access auto acetate to $99 of Alexander Texier. And Devils. I PC Devils, so I had to put that in there. So a lot of people are saying it looks like Contenders, which I agree. It has a mix of a bunch of different Panini products, but I'm excited. I like the look of it. Get my little scissors. The metal cards are really cool. I saw a box break with a metal card, so I'm excited to get one of those, hopefully. I did notice these packs are hard to open. Hits are always in the middle, so pull 2 from the back. Got credentials base. Take a look at the base for you. I like the big logo in the background. Nathan MacKinnon, Brock Besser, Johnny Gaudreau, Patty Kane. Got a rookie science, Blake Lizotte. And colorful characters, Mark Stone. Pretty sure these are somewhat rare. I haven't seen any pulled yet. Next pack. Sorry. These packs are definitely tough to open. If you guys saw my last break, O-Pee-Chee Platinum, they rip right open. Base, Mark Stone, Steven Stamkos, Drew Doughty, Carter Hart, rookie science, Capo Caco, and a base auto of Alexander Texier. 2 boxes, 2 Texiers. Next pack. Base, Matthew Barzal, Max Domi, Henrik Lundqvist, Artemi Panarin, second star of the night, Alex DeBrincat. I see a lot of these pulled. Let me pull one from my other box. You could tell by what star of the night is by the stars in the background. Like this Quinn Hughes, first star. Cody Glass, 2 stars. And Jonathan Drouin, 3 stars. And they have rookies and vets. So Alex DeBrincat, 2 stars. And a Leon Draisaitl base gold parallel to 199. We got Nikita Kucherov, Eric Stahl, Connor McDavid, Patrice Bergeron, Quinn Hughes rookie signs, and Capo Caco. That's a good one. Debut ticket access. There's multiple levels of that ticket access cards. This might be a metal card. There's definitely a, yes, there's a metal card in this one. Hoping for Hughes or Goosehead for the PC. Brent Burns, Ryan Getzlaf, Marc-Andre Fleury, Elias Pettersson, Braden Point, 3-star, 3rd star of the night. And the metal card is, it's a devil. Jack Hughes. There we go. That's what I like. And then that idea comes from, I believe it's Gold Standard or Titanium, not Titanium. Elements from Panini. Feel the Thrill. Blake Wheeler. Claude Giroux. Dante Fabro, rookie signs. Debut ticket access to $6.99. Carl Gunstrom and Jacob Leah. Jack Eichel, Sebastian Aho. Sorry, forgot to pull from the bag. Dylan Larkin, Brad Marchand, Jack Eichel, Aho. There we go. 2nd star of the night rookie, Nikita Gusev. Scott Sabrin. Definitely a good PC box for me. Mark Scheifele, Matt Duchene, Jamie Benn, Jonathan Toews, rookie science, Eric Brandstrom, and Jacob Leah to 99, red parallel. So, 1 auto. We got the metal card. Show that for you guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll probably unbox one more of these on video and then post it for you guys. Thank you guys.